Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make someone an admin in your Bigcommerce store. Giving admin access lets trusted team members manage products, orders, settings, and other important parts of your store. Let's get started. On your Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to Settings. Settings are on the left side of the page. Once here, scroll down to Advanced. In Advanced, click Users. In Users, click to add a user account. Enter the email. Make sure this email is active. To make the user an admin, select the Store Admin option. Fill in the rest of the admin's information here. Uncheck any permissions you do not want the user to have. When you are done, click Save. After saving, the admin is added to your Bigcommerce store. This is how we assign admin access in Bigcommerce. Always be careful when giving full permissions, and only give access to people you trust.